Hello everyone, welcome back to the class. So in this part of the video, I'll be discussing paper 2014. This will be set 3. The rest of the sets I have discussed in previous videos. If you have not visited them, do visit those videos. Furthermore, if you have not joined live classes, please join them. They are good for your RIMC, RMS and AISSEE exam preparation. Visit the link. Here is the link of the website www.geometryschool.in. You can also download the app from the Play Store. If you have not enrolled yourself in Champions batch, which is targeting your RMS 2022 exam, do visit that batch and enroll yourself today itself. The batch will give you daily live classes till your exam is there, the current affairs, mock tests and live test. In order to get more information, do visit the website. There will be getting information in brief for your course related to which you have any query. Coming back to today's class, this is your paper 2014 and the first question of today is, just take the screenshot. This is your first question. A triangle whose sides are not of equal measure. Okay. कौन सा triangle होता है? Just look at the options whose sides are not equal measure. Equilateral triangle नहीं हो सकता क्योंकि उसमें तो सारी sides equal होती हैं. Isosceles में you have any two sides equal. Then acute angle triangle में भी आपकी sides equal नहीं होती हैं. Then in which whose sides are not of equal measure. Not of equal measure, that means scalene triangle. Scalene कौन सा triangle होता है? A triangle whose all the three sides are unequal. That is called as scalene triangle. So your answer comes out to be scalene. Next is, what number should be subtracted from 8784765 to get this? Let that number be x. Okay. Simply whatever is asked in the question, just take it as x. Right? Question number 22. What is to be subtracted from 8784765? Let it be x to get 2314678. x को इधर लेके जाओ, इसको इधर शिफ्ट करो. That means 8784765 minus 2314678. What you will be getting? You will be getting, this comes out to be 780000 7, 4 and 6. Answer comes out to be 6470087. This will be your answer. Moving on to next question. The line segment joining two points on the circumference of a circle is called. Okay, I'll explain this question here. This is your circle. Right? This is your circle. Let me draw the figure once again. This is your circle. The line segment joining two points on the circumference of the circle. ये दो points ले लो. इसको एक line join कर रही है. What is this line called as? Chord. Answer comes out to be chord. A cube has a volume of 64 centimeter cube. What is the length of each edge of the cube? A cube has a volume of 64 centimeter cube. When the length of each edge of the cube is doubled, what will be the volume of the cube? Okay. Volume कितना दे रखा है? 64 centimeter cube का volume है. Question number 24. Volume is given to you as 64 centimeter cube. Cube का formula क्या होता है volume का? A cube. सो इसका क्यूब रूट लगाओ तो ए की वैल्यू कितनी आएगी? 4 आएगी. 4 4 से 16, 16 4 से 64, 64 आई. अब क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है कि व्हेन द लेंथ ऑफ ईच एज ऑफ क्यूब इज डबल, 4 आई है, डबल कर दो उसको 8 हो जाएगी. व्हाट विल बी द वॉल्यूम, अब वॉल्यूम का होगी इफ डबल्ड, दैट इज, अब हमारा ए क्या हो जाएगा 4 इंटू 2 दैट इज 8, क्योंकि हमने डबल कर दिया. देयरफॉर न्यू वॉल्यूम कितनी होगी 8 का क्यूब, दैट मीन्स 512 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब will be your new volume. Answer comes out to be 512 centimeter cube. Okay. Moving on to next question. A red ribbon has a length of 1 meter 40 centimeter. A blue ribbon is 3 times as long as the red one. What is the length of the red and the blue ribbon together? दोनों की मिला के कितनी लेंथ होगी? This is what the question is asking. Here on question number 25th. रेड रिबन की लेंथ कितनी है? Come on everyone, comment me the answer. 1 meter 40 centimeter. That means 140 centimeter. ब्लू की कितनी है 3 टाइम्स जो रेड की है, यही बोला है. दैट मीन्स 420 सेंटीमीटर. देयरफॉर टुगेदर देयर लेंथ कितनी होगी 140 प्लस 420, दैट मीन्स 560 सेंटीमीटर और 5 meter 60 centimeters. Is that so? 5 meter 60 centimeters, right? Moving on to next. If rupees 3840 is invested in an account at 5% annual interest, how long will the account balance grow to 4800? आपको क्या क्या दिया हुआ है यहाँ पे? Just tell me. What is given to you in the question? Amount is given to you as 4800. Clear? Principal is given to you as 3840 and rate of interest is given to you as 5%. They are asking about time. You need to आप इंटरेस्ट इजीली निकाल सकते हैं. इंटरेस्ट क्या होता है? अमाउंट माइनस प्रिंसिपल. व्हाट इज अमाउंट 4800. व्हाट इज प्रिंसिपल 3840. व्हाट विल बी द आंसर 960, right? This is interest. You need to calculate time. As you know, simple interest into 100 upon P into R is what? T. Simple interest is 960. What is P? 3840. And what is R? 5. Cancel it out. Cancel out the zeros first. 5152, right? 12 8s are 96. 12 3s are 36. 2s are 24, right? 8 1s are 8. 8 4s are 2 1 2 2 2 1 2 5. Answer comes out to be 5 years. Mark your answer here. How many years? 5 years. Next question number 95. .1% in decimal is written as question number 27. 30.1% को आपने डेसिमल में चेंज करना है. 30.1 परसेंटेज है तो नीचे 100 आ गया, पॉइंट रिमूव किया तो 0 आ गया. सो आफ्टर डेसिमल वी शुड हैव 3 डिजिट्स. तो 0.301 will be your answer. Right? Moving on to next question. If a train travels at a distance of 340 km per hour in 3 5/4 hours, find the speed at which it was traveling. Direct formula put करेंगे. First of all, write what is given to you. Distance given to you as, क्या डिस्टेंस गिवन है? 340 किलोमीटर. टाइम कितना दिया है? 3 5/4 hours. 12 plus 5 17/4 hours, right? You need to calculate the speed. Speed is distance upon time. What is distance? 340. What is time? 17/4. That is 340 into 4/17. 17/1 17/2. 80 kilometer per hour will be the answer. Your answer comes out to be 80 kilometer per hour. ये देखो यहाँ भी ऑप्शंस गलत हैं. इट शुड बी पर आवर, राइट? Right? Next is, a man bought a second hand music system for rupees itna and 6,000 and spent rupees 300 on its repair. He sold it at a profit of 1,200. Find the selling price. You need to calculate the selling price. Again, write whatever is given to you. You have to do them in a speed, okay? I am doing it step by step just because I want to make you clear ki what logic is applied here. Right? क्वेश्चन नंबर 29. सीपी कितना मेंशन है? ₹6,000, राइट? रिपेयरिंग में कितना चार्जेस उसने पे किया? ₹300 फॉर रिपेयरिंग. एंड व्हाट इज द प्रॉफिट ही अर्न? 1,200. देयरफॉर व्हाट विल बी द एसपी? सीपी प्लस प्रॉफिट प्लस रिपेयरिंग चार्जेस. CP is 6,000, profit is 1,200 and 300 is your 7,500 will be your SP. Is that so? Your answer will be 7,500. Comment me your answers below, everyone. Come on, try to solve the questions yourselves. Next question is, express 10 meter per second in kilometer per hour. What you need to do? Question number 30. 10 meter per second किलोमीटर पर आवर में, राइट? ओके. जब आपको किलोमीटर पर आवर से मीटर पर सेकंड में करना होता है तो आप क्या करते हो? स्पीड किलोमीटर पर आवर को मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हो 5/18 से टू गेट स्पीड इन मीटर पर सेकंड. अब देखो, अब आपको क्या गिवन है? व्हाट इज गिवन टू यू? There is a formula. I hope I have told you this formula previous also. I have told you, if you want to calculate speed in किलोमीटर पर आवर को जब आप 5/18 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हो तो व्हाट यू गेट स्पीड इन मीटर पर सेकेंड. दिस इज व्हाट यू हैव, राइट? कन्वर्जन फॉर्मूला है ये. राइट। अब आपको मीटर पर सेकेंड दिया हुआ है, दैट मीन्स ये चीज आपको गिवन है एंड यू नीड टू फाइंड आउट इन किलोमीटर पर आवर। तो स्पीड इन मीटर पर सेकेंड इज 10। 18/5 को आप यहाँ लेके जाएंगे, 5/18 को, तो 18/5 बन जाएगा। तो आपको स्पीड किस में मिल जाएगी? स्पीड मिल जाएगी आपको किलोमीटर पर आवर में, 5152। दैट मीन्स 36 किलोमीटर per hour will be your answer. So your answer is 36 kilometer per hour. Is that so? Yes. Moving on to next question. Compare CDX LIX. अच्छा, ओके, ऑप्शंस देखो ना क्या मैं मेंशन है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 31 of today's class. What is given to you? CDX, LIX. This is dash, and then you have CDLX, right? This is given to you. Okay, पहले इनको डिकोड करते हैं। CDXLIX, right? C stands for 100 and this stands for 500. अब 500 बाद में 100 पहले है, दैट मीन्स दोनों में सब्ट्रैक्शन हो रहा है, तो ये चीज क्या बन गई? 400। अब ये 10 है, अगेन मैं मूव ऑन करूँ, 10 है और 50 है, बड़ा बाद में आया, यहाँ भी सब्ट्रैक्शन हो रहा है, कितने का? 40 का, एंड दिस यू नो बिकम्स 9, तो ये वाला नंबर क्या बन जाएगा? 449। सिमिलरली अगर हम CDLX की बात करते हैं, तो CD अगेन क्या बना? ये 100 एंड 500, तो अगेन सब्ट्रैक्शन है, 400 आ गया। अब L इज फॉर 50, ऐड कर दो, एंड X इज फॉर 10, कितना बनेगा? 460। सो दिस विल बी 449 एंड दिस विल बी 460, तो दिस विल कम, है ना? 460 इज ग्रेटर देन 449, तो योर आंसर हियर इज ग्रेटर देन का सिंबल, दैट इज ये वाला। मूविंग ऑन टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स बेस्ट डिस्क्राइब टू पैरेलल लाइन्स? ओके, टू पैरेलल लाइन्स आपकी कैसी होती हैं? कोई भी अगर फिगर है तो दिस विल बी योर टू पैरेलल लाइन, राइट? ये दोनों लाइन्स कैसी होंगी? पैरेलल होंगी। ओके, ऐसे भी हो सकती हैं या फिर आपकी ऐसे भी पैरेलल लाइन्स हो सकती हैं, राइट? These two lines are parallel. Now just look at the statements. They meet at exactly one point. No, because parallel lines never meet at any point. They meet at exactly 2 point. अभी मैंने क्या बोला? Parallel lines never meet. They always remain at the same distance. Yes, of course, this is right. Because यहाँ पे दोनों के बीच में अगर 2 सेंटीमीटर का डिफरेंस है तो वो आगे कहीं तक भी लाइंस चली जाएंगी, डिफरेंस सेम ही रहेगा। ये नहीं है कि अगर आपकी यहाँ पे 2 सेंटीमीटर का डिफरेंस है तो आगे जाके ये डिफरेंस कम हो जाएगा। नो, द डिफरेंस रिमेन्स द सेम, दैट मीन्स दे ऑलवेज रिमेन एट द सेम डिस्टेंस एंड दे फॉर्म अ राइट एंगल। नो, टू पैरेलल लाइन्स नेवर फॉर्म अ right angle. So your correct answer is they always remain at the same distance. Okay, this will be your answer. Next is, so children, again I would like to remind all of you, if you have not subscribed the Geometry School channel, kindly subscribe it, press the bell icon in order to receive all the important notifications related to your exam. Also hit the like button, share the video to maximum number of friends so that they can also have an idea about the paper pattern. If you have not joined live classes yet, do join them. Visit Geometry School website where you'll be getting all the important notification related to live classes. For the batch, the school has started Champions batch, which is targeting your RMS 2022 exam. So if you are seriously preparing for your exam and if you want to get selected for RMS, then go and join this batch today itself. In the batch, you'll be having daily live classes, current affairs series, live test, as well as the mock test for better preparation. Furthermore, Geometry School has planned to start offline coaching with hostel facilities. So students who are finding it difficult to afford online classes, they can enroll themselves into online coachings, right? In order to get more information, again you have to visit the website to have a brief idea. Till then, thank you for watching the video. In the next part, I will be uploading paper 2022. Till then, keep enjoying, keep studying, and stay connected.